10 Steps to Confidence. Hey kids! Do you know how to be confident? Let's learn 10 simple steps to feel great about yourself. Step 1. Believe in yourself. You are special and capable. Step 2. Trying new things helps you grow and feel proud of yourself. Step 3. Talk to yourself with kind and encouraging words. Step 4. Set small goals and celebrate when you achieve them. Step 5. Mistakes are just lessons in disguise. Learn and keep going. Step 6. Spend time with people who lift you up and believe in you. Step 7. Helping others makes you feel strong and kind. Step 8. The more you practice, the more confident you become. Step 9. Standing tall and smiling makes you look and feel confident. Step 10. Focus on what you can control, like your actions and attitude. Remember, confidence grows little by little. Start today, and watch yourself shine. Thanks for watching. Keep smiling and believing in yourself.